Oh man, there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. Got tires over there, more, well, wheels. Carbon fiber, but if we come over here, we have some new bulbs for the Civic. What's going on, guys? It's Jay from Sonic Works, and today we have a actual full sponsor video review today. So it's slightly biased, very slightly. As you can tell, it is dark outside, and this is my 2000 Honda Civic. The reason why we're shooting at night is it was about 115, 120 degrees, felt like, with the humidity today, so I was mentally drained for the whole entire day. It was a long shift. The van right there had a nail go through, and I had to wait for 2 hours to have someone do it. Not that I can't do it, it's more of company policy. No, that sucked. But also, since we're doing headlights, I kind of want to do it at night so I can show you the before and after. Well, so far in these headlights, or headlamps, we have OEM halogen bulbs, and we're kind of going to compare how it looks before and after. Do my fancy JDI push start, so RFID in, foot on the brake, foot in clutch, press the red button, and watch it turn on. So the control is, we're inside, of course. We're not gonna move anywhere. The window, well, the glass, there's crud all over it. So let's put that out there. Nothing's gonna change, by the way. And we're just gonna put this right here and kind of get a view of what this all looks like. Now, as you can see, we can kind of make out the mailbox to the left and to the right. So everything's just kind of highlighting the van right there. And just keep that there. Perfect. Our control before. Just gonna turn it off. Grab our keys. Get out we could. And now we go inside. I do have the garage door closed. The devil insects were starting to come on in, and I don't want to get itchy. And so today's video is fully sponsored with this review with Auxito. Reached out and they're like, hey, Sachin, we really like your videos. Care to do a full-on review? Now, after going from back and forth, a little bit back and forth, I told them, like, hey, I'm gonna honestly review them, and I'm not gonna compare them to any other company. I'm just gonna compare them to OEM halogens. And they said, yeah, go ahead, go for it. So let's unbox this, well, unbox the LEDs. Now we've got this box over here, quickly packaged, which this thing came in like a few days. So great shipping time. Let's see how this comes out. All right, so as you guys can see, it comes in a awesome full package. Nothing just wrapped up in regular cardboard. Actually has all their logos or their signs, and as you can see, high brightness, long lifespan. They're supposed to be plug and play and off-road ready. The box looks amazing, as you can see, 903, and let's open her up. Using a plastic razor blade. It's not that I don't trust myself, it's more that's what I found. So far, so good. Plastic, you know, you can already tell the quality on that. It's got that soft cover, kind of like you get with iPhones and whatnot, with Apple, and a solid suction pull on that. They give you gloves. Put that here, along with a product manual. And then here we have the bulbs. So out here in the middle of the night, trying to pull the bulb out, and got the plug straight off. Don't worry, that's just dielectric grease. And now we're just gonna pull the boot back Sorry for the shaky cam. I know it's amateur hour, so I'm gonna leave the boot over here along with the other boot. And now there is this little retainer clip. I don't know if it'll focus. Kind of right here. You just kind of push in, up. There. Kind of use both hands for this, but it's supposed to go in and out. I want it to come out. Let me put this down. So what I learned is you have to push in and then pull up and then kind of gently guide it out. Then you can just kind of walk out with the bulb if everything wasn't in the way. Right through there. Just pull the reservoir up and then off the side. The line shouldn't come undone. Well, it comes undone from there, but if it breaks, it's because you need a new line. This one doesn't need a new line. Let's go back inside. Now you can see the comparison. This is old, okay? Just leave me alone. These have these huge fans. There's a June bug flying around in here somewhere. These things are huge. The heat sinks are huge. They probably have these cool big fans in there that are powered up by this. They don't need anything auxiliary with it. I know I shouldn't have done that. Use my hands because they give you these awesome gloves, which I'm going to use right now. They feel like a wrap glove. Yeah. Just a little bit of webbing right there, like maybe a little bit of R&D on that. But yeah, these have these big old heat sinks in here. See these big old chips that they have. These are gonna be wildly bright. You can kind of see the fan right there. So let's plug these in. Using the white gloves, which they don't work well with your phone when you're recording. I'm gonna put these in, and from the way I can tell, this is how it's gonna go in. So we're gonna put our hand through, move the tab away. It's very difficult to do with one hand. Kind of just slide that in there in its little hole. Let me put my hand this down and I shall double check. So after a little bit of finagling, this is upside down, but I really got it in. It's into those two notches off to the side. There's something on my leg. Oh God. Got the clip put in and it is secured. Let's put this in. Let's get a quick before. This is mid install. This is just only one. Okay, yeah, these are gonna be bright. That's just one, and it's already getting the same field as before with the halogen, so this is about to be fun. After a bit of struggling on this side, it's the headlamp bulb, the way the spring kind of sits in, it sucks. I need to wash my hands. Got the dust boots put back on, and let's put this down and get in after. Press the push start. Oh, clutch it. I'm tired. It's so hot. It says 88, but it feels like 95. Gosh. And now our after. So definitely just a lot better as far as from halogen to LED. That's gonna happen. As you guys can see, the center focus of our bulbs, both of them are really bright in the middle area. As we're kind of coming out, you can kind of see that mailbox a whole lot better. You can see the rabbit running around. The cutoff on this side's a lot better. And remember, this is for stock housings. There's no projectors in this. OEM replacement. I say this is overall a better quality. Sorry, it's so hot and I am tired and I'm trying to think of the words, but, and they have a high beam. I've had a really long day, so the heat really messes with me. It's the first hot day of the season, and it was a doozy day. But if you guys liked the video and everything so far and the product itself, please use my 20%, I think, no, it's 15% off discount code right over here, Sachin_works. Save yourself 15%, and I'll have the link to the description, or link in the description below. Guys, I'm really tired. It's gonna be below along with the discount code also there as well. If you guys liked the video, we do have more Accord content. I'm just stockpiling, and hopefully more Civic content. That's really, I don't know, more Civic or more Accord, just also let me know below. But if you guys liked the video, share, like, subscribe, and you know, kind of hit that notification bell and kind of get a ring going on next time I make another video that's uploaded, like this one. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.